We saw the last, India-Pakistan conflict in May under, Op Sindoor, India's Op Sindoor. Drone played a major role. What began as drones being employed for surveillance, that has been there for a while. Again, just for context and understanding. Long-range drones have been used for ISR, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance for a very long time. For example, India operates the Israeli Heron and Searcher UAVs. They are not drones; they are UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles. They have been in use for a very long time now, couple of decades. The advent of it actually again goes back to the US deploying them in Afghanistan, which we all saw visuals of them. That's the kind of advent of the century. They kind of became popular, but surveillance has been there for a while. Combat is more new, at least in the subcontinent. They've been acquired as lessons from the war in Ukraine. India has done a lot of procurement, a lot of induction at a range of them, right from the unit level, a small company of soldiers to right up to the battlefield surveillance, battle damage assessment, even for, say, for example, correcting artillery fire. The artillery are long range. The range of artillery is growing, for example, to give an instance. But how do you do that? So you need human in it. So you have a correction, you have an error. And longer the range, you're multiplying the error. So a UAV in the air helps you mitigate the error because they up in the sky, they can see longer ranges. So they let you correct the fire. So in a combat support role, that's how UAVs are actually changing the battle space, if you want to call it. And definitely with Op Sindoor, we can say the battle space in the subcontinent, the Indian subcontinent has definitely transformed. It's not future anymore. It's here. It's today.